Before we get too far in this video, I want to talk about the sponsor of the video today. Us car guys like carbon fiber. It's no secret. As you can see, I put some carbon fiber in my Mustang. But we're talking about Simply Carbon Fiber today. They sell a variety of cool carbon fiber goodies. They went and sent me out this really cool slim gloss carbon money wallet clip. So you can put the money right there, 4 to 6 cards in here. Really cool product. I got a link down in the description and a coupon code. Go ahead, check it out. Us car guys love our carbon fiber, so you gotta match it up with the matching wallet. If you wanna check it out or any of their other products, I got a link down in the description. They got some carbon fiber sunglasses, other different items. Pop over to the link in the description or comment section. Check it out, let me know what you think. Is it Borla time?
Borla time.
Oh man, I'm so excited. I think this is Ashley's fault, to be honest. He goes, it's not loud enough. It's Ashley's fault.
It's definitely Ashley's.
Yeah. It's not loud enough. Okay. And I have not heard a video of what these sound like, but they gotta be louder than what we have on there, which are just basically resonators. I'm a butthurt for Borla, so.
Borla's good stuff.
Yeah. So these are the Borla XR1 3-inch in, out. They should go right in place of our existing exhaust.
Yeah, a little bit of work, not too bad. We're gonna get everything lined up and figure out where we need to make our cuts, and we'll put the mufflers on, tack them, pull everything down and weld it on the ground where it's a lot easier to see.
Yep. Oh, I know why it sounds like shit. Look at the inside of it.
What's that?
Bruh, I was a little worried. I'm like, well, I mean, how quiet is it gonna get? It's a straight through resonator. That's a little baby pipe.
Do you imagine how restrictive that is?
Dude.
You might pick up 10-15 horsepower just by taking this out.
I think Nick, this is sabotage. Nick wanted me to be slower than him. He got the nice Flowmaster ones for him, and he got the That's why my car's so quiet.
It's so tiny.
You're a little tiny guy. Well, I have 3-inch and then have a 1 7/8.
It's like a Honda pipe in there.
Dude!
Oh, I feel so bad for you now.
You thought I was crazy for wanting to change it.
I mean, I did. I don't now. I feel better about it now.
I think this is called sabotage.
What?
That's horsepower.
I told you these were turbo bullets.
Look at how small that is.
Yeah.
You're trying to take away my horsepower.
It made like 615, didn't it?
Yeah.
Could have made like 630. Maybe. He said he didn't want Coyote Screamer when he told me, so that's why I did this.
He said, how loud do you want it? I was like, loud. He's like, okay, straight pipe. I was like, oh, whoa, no, not a straight pipe. And he's like, I was like, just like loud, but not like that loud. And he's like, okay, gotcha. Then he's like, yo,
that's what you want.
H and 7/8 hole.
This is gonna be like 4 times louder, I guarantee you.
I'll okay with that. They're welded.
I'm tired.
So we spent a good bit of last night knocking this out. A few more welds this morning. and I think she's ready to go. The stainless on the Borla.
Don't judge me. I am not a professional welder.
This really is still
means.
only your third,
fourth or fifth maybe.
Your exhaust job, like third exhaust job.
Yeah.
Ever. So I think it's there, you know.
I did a lot better welding in the patch panels than I did just trying to weld the pipes together.
And you know, if anyone's gonna knock it, hey, you know, at least he's out here learning, you know. Overall, I don't think it's bad. It's not.
That's all that really matters. As long as you don't think it's bad, I'm good.
It's not perfect, right? But like, it's a learning process, and you know, if it seals, it holds. You know, we can always learn more, fix it up later too.
Yeah.
You know, but I think it's gonna sound good. We both know it's gonna scrape anyways, so.
It's gonna be loud. It's probably actually gonna pick you up more horsepower because they're way more free flowing than those. What did we do with them? Did they get thrown away?
No, they're over there.
Okay.
I had no idea those were like that.
I didn't either. See, it's what happens when you assume. I assumed they were sort of like this, which is why when Andrew told me, yeah, we're putting Borlas on, I'm like, but why? Isn't it like the same thing, just a different name stamped onto it? But no, these are way different.
Trans has fluid, diff has fluid, engine has oil. Grounds are hooked up, starter's hooked up.
Yeah.
better. I really like it. All right, so before we end the video off, I want to get some sound clips. So oh, that's loud. Oh yeah, that's loud. So make sure you hit the like button down below. Comment, let us know what you think. Next video, first drive, and then hopefully once we get some braking miles on the clutch, you'll hear it rip from the outside. So we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.